Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of the most sought after or scalped fear of missing out set, which is this one, the Formula 1 set. So honestly, I used to be a Formula 1 fan when I was a kid, but not right now, to be very frank with you guys. I bought it because I just at least wanted one in my collection just to remember my childhood. That's it. So I even did a shots on that for 799 premiums which I bought. That looked really great. I will be doing an unboxing video of those soon. So once I shifting, I'm shifting this place. So once I complete my shifting from the new place, I will be doing those videos. So I just wanted to do this video for a long time, but because we had a lot of main lines in our hands, so I thought of just closing that one first and then coming to this. Okay, so I bought this for MRP, which is 899. So it has all these cars here: McLaren, Alpine. What is one? The Red Bull one, I think. I don't know what is the Red Bull car. Sauber, MoneyGram. Okay, let's open it. Anyway, we need to peel this off. Sorry, rip this off. Let's do it. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go one by one. I'm just going to put this one aside. Let me show you one more detail here. Here is the card art on this one. It looks good. Okay, let's go from top to bottom then. Okay, so here it is. What is this one exactly? Formula 1 collection. Just says Formula 1 collection. Okay, what is the orange one? Luckily I didn't throw the box away yet. Okay, so this is the McLaren. So the first one is McLaren. Okay, the detailing looks really good. I mean, it has all the sponsor detailing here. It is, they didn't mess that up. Here also you can see Cisco, Dell Technologies, Dropbox, Workday, Chrome, everything. Okay, so it looks good. And there is nothing to, actually there is nothing much to talk about on this cars because it is not going to have any headlights here or tail lights here, nothing. So I don't think I can actually able to rate this one because this is not a typical casting, right? Okay, let's go for rest of the things. Okay, the body is fully metal, this part, and the spoiler is also metal, and it is actually merged with the body here. So you can see the driver's head here, and this, it is not actually a steering wheel, but they made it look like that. It's one piece of plastic. The chassis is also plastic. This part here, from here till here, this piece is plastic. So this actually merges along with the interior here. So I think, okay, those are two separate pieces. The interior, the driver's head, and the chassis are two separate pieces. It is merged merged on the inside. This one, which is covering the tires, that is also plastic. So rest everything is actually metal, which is good. Okay, let's roll this casting first. Sorry for the noise. Okay, let's roll this casting. It rolls okay, it doesn't even roll really well, to be honest. The front wheel wobbles a little bit. At least it reaches end of the track, which is really good. Okay, one more thing I missed to point out, which is the rims here. that is actually painted orange to match the rest of the body. Looks really nice. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is the Alpine. See, personally I love this one over the McLaren because the color scheme on this one, it looks really beautiful. So even the way the lettering has been mentioned here, the Alpine, with the background is background blue one. Sorry, blue background. Okay, the sponsors are here. Castrol and other sponsors are here. Looks really good. Again, see, casting wise, all these are going to be same. There is not going to be a single difference. The only difference is going to be with the livery here. That is going to change it with Alpine, the McLaren one. For other things, whatever it is, they will change it. So again, body is metal, driver is plastic, chassis plastic. This wheel protector is plastic. Okay, let's roll this one now again. So it is painted blue on the rims to match the livery here. Okay. At least compared to this one, the previous one looked, rolled rim a bit better. Okay, forgot to do one thing. Let me do that. Forgot to weigh this casting. Maybe let's do one thing. Let's first review and roll, and then we will do the weighing test this time. That would be easy to remember. Okay, here is the Visa one. What is this exactly? Visa. They didn't mention anything. What car is this? What manufacturer is this? Okay, here it is. It's Honda. Okay, this one also looks really nice from the paint perspective. It is a bit flashy and all. It looks really nice, and the livery on this looks perfect. This one is really nice, and I personally love the Alpine one because it's matte with blue. This one is a glossy blue, which is also nice. So they painted red, but it actually matches with the casting because like superheroes, you can literally see red and blue. So kind of actually goes with that one. Looks really nice. Again, similar thing, metal body, driver plastic, chassis plastic. The wheel covers are, the wheel protectors are plastic. Till this part here it is plastic. Okay, let's roll this casting now. Okay, it rolls smooth. Okay, it does roll smooth. So out of the three, I would say this one rolled really best. Let me just put this aside. Let's put it in frame then. Okay. Fourth one. Kick. Okay, what car is this? He didn't mention anything. Okay, let's go the rest of the things. Okay, so the paint on this looks good. So usually they mess up this glossy black a lot when it comes to main lines, but this one I think they did it well. So they painted the rims green, which matches with the livery here. The sponsors looks really good, and so I personally love the way they mentioned that kick. It's like pixelated. That looks really good. Again, metal body, plastic chassis, plastic driver, plastic wheel protectors. So let's roll this casting now. This also rolls really smooth, and it reaches the end of the track as well. So this one and that Honda both are really great. Okay, let's put this aside. So take the last but not least, which is the MoneyGram one. Okay, this is also glossy black, but the livery looks a bit dull compared to the rest of the things. They could have went with a brighter orange instead of it's a light orange. It says Palm Angels here. Looks really nice. We do have this casting in premium. This one think the Alpine one, McLaren I didn't buy, I didn't get it. Think I bought four. One, these two I remember. Other two, one is a Red Bull one. I don't know what the other one is. Let me see. Okay, again, so body full metal, including spoilers, driver plastic, chassis plastic. The wheel cover is plastic. So the liveries are same on both sides. Let's roll this casting now. It is actually fast compared to the others. There's a little bit of wheel wobble on the front wheel. Let's try once again. Okay, honestly, compared to these three, these two rolled really well. This one is better. These two are okay. Okay, now let's weigh this casting. Let's see if all weighs the same. Hopefully it would be the same, but let's see. Okay, exactly 26 grams. 26. Okay, 27 grams. I'm not sure what's the difference on this one, what they added, and why it is weighing a little bit more. Because of more paint. I'm not sure. Okay. This one is also 26 grams. Okay. This show 26 just now. 26 grams. Maybe let me just try this again. Okay, 26 grams. Okay, all are weighing 26 grams. That's okay. So that's it, guys. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.